This is room tour of room 10229 on Harmony of the Seas. There we go.
So right here when you first come in, you'll notice you have to have a key card of some kind in to keep the lights on. Master light, turn all the lights on and off from here. Mirror, so you can make sure you look good on your way to formal night. Bathroom right in the front with shelving space. And the shower is actually pretty roomy, and I like it because, you know, the plexiglass is see-through, so you don't feel claustrophobic like on some of the older ships. Temperature control is right next to the bathroom. And the temperature in here is actually pretty good. We can get it pretty cool in here, which is nice. First closet. This is your long closet, so you can put your gowns or your suits. And if you like, there's a little pole that pulls down right here for some extra hanging space if you need it. And please excuse it, we dumped all the hangers on the floor because we're leaving tomorrow when they make a lot of racket at night. So your sofa, which does not unfold or anything, so this is the way it is. And your air conditioning actually comes out this vent on the top, which we think is a little strange. Some of the rooms have the bed coming out between the closets, so it's probably pretty nice because the air comes down on you. Here, our bed is over here. So, this is the second closet. Here you'll have a little bit of hanging space, some shelves, your room safe, and there are some drawers here on the bottom.
And they're pretty spacious. I got a lot of stuff in my drawer.
Yeah, there's two of them. They're about the same depth each.
You can put your luggage. Do me a favor, pick it up.
Yeah.
You can't really see it, but my full luggage is under there,
Yeah.
and I have it stuffed.
Yeah, and I actually have 3 suitcases under mine, so there's plenty of room. And we have the bed split here, and there actually is a little bit of space between them, which is nice.
The only problem with this setup is they only put one plug over here. So if you're split like we are, one person gets a plug, the other person doesn't.
And also the person on this side has to be careful of the light
Yes.
above their head.
Yep. I have whacked my head before.
And this room has a special feature. I think there are 6 rooms like this on Harmony with a double balcony.
We do have obviously a Central Park view, not Milwaukee, not the ocean, but the Central Park. And since we've had one of these rooms, they have actually added 2 loungers besides the table and chairs, which is very nice.
And as you can hear, it does get a bit noisy out here sometimes. So next to this room, because of the double balcony, there is a crew room where they do dishes and stuff. So sometimes during the day you can hear that, water running and dishes clanging and such. And this television here, which is about, I don't know, 40 inches, I guess, or so. We didn't watch it.
I did once.
Oh, did you? I missed that.
Yeah. I was watching cycling.
And storage. So you can't really see into these drawers. I have them stuffed, but you can see
You can
stuff
see
them.
there's a lot. They're nice and deep.
Is there an empty one here?
I don't think so.
That one's empty. Nope. As you can see, we travel heavy.
And this one has stuff in it. Not much, but
And then there's this top drawer where this is where you'll find the blow dryer supplied by the cruise line. And the mini fridge. So I know some of these are just coolers, but this one actually keeps things very cold.
Yeah.
So it's more than a cooler.
Hello.
standard vanity.
And then here's your outlets. So you have 2 USB, 3 standard US plugs, 1 European, and a light switch for this mirror here.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.